it's me, Pickles, and today I'm back with a new video, and I'm going to be doing something a little different today. Oh, you can kind of see that, but whatever. So, basically, let me explain. 2 days ago on Thursday, Mr. Big and I watched the new Fantastic Four that came out yesterday, but we got this preview thing, so we got to watch it a day before it came out. Anyway, so Mr. Big was like, you should go to Disney and get the action figures. They're really cool, and the pins. So today I went to Disney Springs and I got them all. So I'm going to be rating them. I am going to be telling you a little bit about the movie. Warning, there's kind of spoilers, but not really. I'm just going to tell you who I liked in the movie and what I thought about it. So I'm going to be rating it 1 out of 10. 10's the best, 1's the worst. So overall, the movie, I thought it was a 10 out of 10. It was a really good movie. I watched Thunderbolts a while back, and I think Thunderbolts and Fantastic Four are tied up. They're really great movies, but I really like this one. So I'm just going to get into what I got today and rate it. So first, I got a Fantastic Four bin. Mr. Big has this one. It's really cool. And it's limited release, which is nice. So it comes with Human Torch, the Thing. It comes with Mr. Fantastic and Invisible Woman. And I got all the action figures. And I got the Torch, but I didn't get him lit up yet because I wanted to wait because all of it together was a little bit of money. So let's rate. Let's do the two OGs right now. We have Invisible Woman and Mr. Fantastic. So we have Reed Richards, Mr. Fantastic, and Sue Storm, which is Invisible Woman. I was just looking at the names because I want to see if I remember. So this is what they look like. I'm going to show you all the ones I got, and then I'm going to unbox it. I got the Thing, which is my favorite character. I got Human Torch, Johnny, but I didn't get him lit up. Him lit up looks like this. But I didn't get him because I like this one better. And then I got Silver Surfer, which is pretty cool. She's one of my favorites. Oops, I accidentally... Oopsie! I can take that. Let me take that real fast. I really like the box, so I'm gonna take them out of the box. But I want to keep the box and stuff. But yeah, let me just tape that real quick. Stand by, please. It is taped! So I found out that you can open it by the bottom. But first, let's open Mr. Fantastic and Invisible Woman, because these two are one of my favorites, but I like the Thing the best. Okay, so I see a little thing of tape down here. I'm gonna try cutting that without breaking anything. Oh my gosh. Difficulties cutting. If you guys get this, it's at Disney Springs at the Marvel store, and the pin is at Disney Springs too. So I'm gonna open it this way, which is kind of a weird way to open it, but I don't really care. Here's what he looks like in the movie, but that's what he looks like in here. And if you guys don't know what his powers are, I'm going to tell you each one. So he is if any of you guys seen Incredibles, he's Miss Incredible, what's her name? Yeah, I think. He has a stretchy power, which is pretty cool. And this is what he looks like. My favorite part about him is he comes with the stretchy arms. Ooh, the background looks nice. So this is everyone's powers on the back, but I like the background. But he comes with a stretchy arm, which is my favorite. Oh, that looks so cool. So, yeah, I don't really do toy reviewings, but if it's a really cool toy that I want to review, I'll do it. Then it comes with different hands, so it comes with fist right here. Oh my gosh, it's taped in. Fist. Okay, so yeah. Ah! That one fell. And let's take out his set. And I'm going to be rating the action... Sorry, that was really loud. I'm going to be rating the action figure and, what it... So, first, the box. I really like it. It's really nice. I like the way, they put it, like that. And they put, what it says on the back and everything. The action figure. I really like him. Good moving joints. They have the bracelets. All the characteristics from the movies. You can, make him bend and everything. I want to add his arms. I'm actually confused how I'm supposed to add his arms. Oh, you just take it out. That's pretty cool. So, I'm going to add his arms. Because some action figures I got, when you, take out their arms a couple of times, they, it, makes their arms, wiggly. Oh, I put the arms on the wrong way. It makes their arms, wiggly, and then it, never works again. But these are different. So, he looks so cool with these arms. I'm going to put this on my desk. Oh, his, torso can move. And his head. Oops. I'm going to put this on my desk and make them have, cool fighting powers. But I really like this. So it comes with, his arm out like this and then him grabbing onto something. So he's oh. I really like that. I like his arms better, but these are really funny. High five. Anyway. And it comes with, the bracelet on each one. The fists are cool, too, but I think I'm going to keep with what I had before. I'm going to put in here. Wait, hold on. Let me put these back in real quick. So overall, the character... Because I'm going to rate what the box looks like, what the character looks like. This might be a little bit of a long video. And what the, I might have to make 2 parts and like what his powers are. So his powers, 9 out of 10. I really like his powers. They're really funny. The action figure itself, I give it a 9 out of 10. I really like the detail and it's really nice. My favorite part is the arms. Let's move on to Invisible Woman. So I'm going to make 2 parts of this. I might not be able to get to all of them in this one. So it's in the name. She can turn invisible, obviously. It's literally in the name. Her box is really cool. It's similar to all the others, but on like the back, it tells them like what their powers are, which I think is pretty cool. Oh, this didn't cut. Okay, there, I got it. Which I think is pretty cool. This is Marvel Legends series, and I'm a big fan of their thing. Oh, it has the same thing. And yeah, let's take her out. So, oh my gosh. So hers comes with like a invisible like shield thing, which looks pretty cool. Let's take her out. Oh, so it comes with her hands and fists. I think everyone's comes with like their own hands and their like fist or something. There's tape on the hands, which actually makes me really annoyed. I can't take out the hands when it has the fist. Okay, I got the tape off. So, her hands. Why are they so small? Anyway, and then we have her herself. So the box, they all look the same, so probably all the boxes are going to be like rated like a 9 out of 10 because they all look pretty cool. I don't really care about the plastic. Her character, I really like it. So I see that this has a hole right here, so I'm pretty sure you can just go like this. I'm guessing that's what it's for. Oh yeah, that looks cool. So she's like holding out her hand and then she's like invisible. So overall, her power, I give it a 9 out of 10 too. I really like her power. For me, I wouldn't pick, twisted her ankle. I wouldn't pick invisibility for my superpower. Probably I'd pick what the Thing has, and probably a Human Torch, but I wouldn't pick her power, but I give it like a 9 out of 10. Her power's like an 8 out of 10. I don't like it personally, but I like it on her. The character is really nice. I can see the detail, her torso moves. I like how they have like the little belt and the 4 right here. Personally, I really like the character. I give it a 9 out of 10. I don't know which one's going to be a 10 out of 10, but I like it. So, I'm going to open up the last 3 in part 2, so the videos aren't that long. Goodbye.